Hello, this is Kamini from Speak Like Kamini and welcome to today's video on Vocabulary Challenge Day 19. आज मैं आपको लेटर T के 6 synonyms of simpler sounding words दूंगी. ये words आपके communication skills को polish भी करेंगे और आपकी vocabulary को enhance भी करेंगे. अगर आपने हमारी इसी सीरीज़ के दूसरे वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं तो आप उन्हें हमारी प्लेलिस्ट में चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. So the first word on the list today is toady. Toady का मतलब होता है बेवजह तारीफ करने वाला, जिसे हम flatterer भी बोलते हैं. Let's take an example. Tom is a toady, always trying to flatter his teacher. मतलब Tom हमेशा अपने टीचर की बेवजह तारीफ करता है उसके गुड बुक्स में रहने के लिए. The next word on the list is tantamount, which means equivalent या equal to. For example, her request was tantamount to a command. इसका मतलब जो रिक्वेस्ट उन्होंने की वो almost equal थी एक command के. The next word on the list is tedious, which means tiresome or boring. Let's take an example. Accounting is a tedious job. मतलब accounting बहुत ही boring और बहुत ही थका देने वाला job है. The next word on the list is tenacity, which means determination. For example, he has the tenacity to mark his victory. उनमें इतनी determination है कि वो अपनी victory को mark करेंगे. The next word on the list is tentative, which means unconfirmed. Their plan to travel to Nepal was tentative. मतलब उनका नेपाल travel करने का plan fixed नहीं था, tentative था. And the last word on the list is thrifty, which means miserly. यानी कि कंजूस. For example, he doesn't like to go shopping because he is thrifty. उन्हें शॉपिंग करना पसंद नहीं क्योंकि वो बहुत ही कंजूस हैं. Alright, with that we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed listening and learning these new words and will try practicing them in your communication next time. If you want to learn more things about English, you can always follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, the links to which have been shared in the description box. Alright then, till next time, it's bye-bye from Speak Like Kamini.